obviously when you started with Trellis, it would have been your first time with it.
Oh,
Tell
yes.
us a little bit about the onboarding and how you got into it.
Ooh, oh man. I was kind of picked out of a crowd in the company because it was decided that one person needed to kind of have an overview. It was later split between me and Nolan upstairs for the harvest because we realized these operations are really quite separate. You know. But at first they just wanted one guy kind of like working their way through the software, and we decided that the best place was someone where all the plants are created. This is probably the center of where tracking happens. In flower, they mostly just sit there.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's how I came into it, and the rest of it was just kind of starting from scratch.
Yeah. I mean, compared to other systems, was it easier to use, or like, what is it about Trellis that you enjoy or don't enjoy?
Oh, well, in our case, it's because it's custom made for cannabis use. Cannabis producers, also users, eventually, hopefully. But yeah, I mean, up until this point, you got to understand, we were in Excel, you know, or Word, or like whatever anybody wanted to publish in. The lack of centralization, the lack of a single GUI was really hurting us. So, you know, this has altered all of that.
Yeah.
You know.
And then you mentioned like the benefits of cloud, and what does that do for you guys?
Oh, well, the fact that anything that anybody does is totally accessible to everybody else. Your name is on everything that you do. Yeah. So if I transfer plants, I have to put my code, and it says it was Jan. If there's a problem with this or it doesn't make sense, ask Jan. You know, having that is really important, particularly considering in the hectic environment that we have here. It's pretty easy to forget what you've done a week later. You know. But this is really important for record keeping. So anybody can access it at any time. You can use any tablet. You just pick it up and go. We're going to have it on our phones soon, I presume. You know, and so we all already have phones. And then, as I said, as an international company, absolutely priceless. We have people in different time zones. They want all kinds of data all the time. This is the one way to get it to them without having to compile it ourselves.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah.